Simon Roden, I'm Infrastructure Services Director for the South Wales Metro. We just completed a really successful safety step up, going through the key messages from a safety point of view that we want the team to live and breathe as they carry out the work on the South Wales Metro. Safety is important everywhere, but we're in a position where we're carrying out significant amounts of work on the network, and as a result of that, what we need people to do is change their behaviours, or at least modify their behaviours to make sure that they're looking after their colleagues and the members of the public. We want people to take time to look forward, think about what risks they might encounter, and then looking to see what mitigations they can put in place to prevent those risks happening.
Hi, I'm Annabelle Odie. I'm the Operational Planning Manager on the Transformation Project on the CVL. So today's been a fantastic morning, bringing together over 600 people for our sort of first major safety step up. It's really great to see everybody here getting a message across and understanding the importance of safety on the CVL. We want everybody to take the message, don't walk by. Safety is really important to us. This whole project is improving everybody's way of life on the CVL, and we need to respect our line-side neighbours. We're building a railway, sometimes it's noisy and it will affect people, but the ultimate goal is that we are doing this for the people and we must protect them now, during and after the project.